How to restore Steam Cloud saves on Windows. Let's get started. Launch your Steam app. You will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top left corner you can find the option of Steam. Go ahead and click on it. With that, different options will appear. Click on the option of settings. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Here towards the option of cloud, you will see the option of enable Steam Cloud. Toggle on for this option. Once you toggle on for this option, now all of your games backup or the data which is stored on the cloud will be accessible. Now you can close your Steam and relaunch it. With that, your problem will be fixed. Heading towards next option, what you have to do is click on the Steam option given at the top left corner again. Now go ahead and click on the option of restore game backup. Now click on the option of browse. Once you click on browse, now you need to browse from inside your PC and you have to find where the game's data or the game's folder is saved. Once you found the folder, just click on it. After you have selected the folder, now you can click on the option of browse. With that, your game will be backed up. Following these steps, you will be able to restore Steam Cloud saves on Windows. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.